Hello, Professor. This is my video for assignment 4. Here, I have used a an image set of dogs. And as you can see, I have categorized them into categories of two. Broad categories are large dogs and small dogs, and they have their respective subcategories as well. Each set has got 10 images for a better prediction. Now, let me start off by telling you how I found that data. Now here is the beagle. Here is for corgis. Same here, and again, it's the same for everyone. Okay. Now here I have got the test set as well. It contains a variety of images as well as some tricks like cartoons and even a split image to tell what the classifier does. Okay. Now let's get back to the classifier. Here I've already uploaded the images as I've told you. I've uploaded them and tagged them as well. Now let's proceed with the testing. Oh, and here are some of the performance metrics. As you can see, I have done a good job of selecting the images. The precision and recall are all at 100%. Yeah, I'm good. So here is a test. So as you can see, a run-of-the-mill dashcam photo should probably give me a good 95.8 probability. Yes, that's good. Moving on to some of the more shady images, so to say. And here is a model, game model, 3D model. And you can tell that it predicts with quite confidence that it's a large dog, but we can see that it's only giving us 80%. Quite acceptable for a quick training. Now I'll save this for the last. So now let's look at a cartoon image. Yeah, so it's definitely telling me that it's a corgi, as we can see other confidence, other probability percentage are well below 1. So yeah, not bad. Another image, this time of, a German Shepherd wearing glasses. So it's quite funny. But again, we can tell that it's got 47.8, which is decent. But I expected more because as you can clearly see, it's a German Shepherd. It's just wearing glasses. Further, if we go down to another image, this is a very popular Dachshund dog from Oswald, and you can see that it's tanked. The probability has tanked a lot, so it's at 2.8 and 2 respective 0.2. Sorry. So yeah, it struggles here, but I mean, again, it's a quick test. Surprisingly, this image gave a lot of confidence. Like you can clearly tell it's a corgi more than it's a small dog. So I think it's the image, the face. So yeah, it's done a good job here. I wanted to test a puppy so that, we don't have anything about large or small. But as you can tell, it predicts with quite good confidence that it's a large dog because of the color scheme, I guess. Yeah, and Rottweiler 44.4.1. And lastly, I have the split image. So as you can tell, that is going to give me half and half. More of a German Shepherd because I guess he's got a better screen presence. But as you can tell, it gives me a definite probability that these are large dogs in this image. Yeah, so this is my project. Thank you, Professor.